I want to show you how this distillation diffuser looks evening time. Like after what I did is I add a few drops of I add a water and a few drops of essential oil here, and now I connected to the plug and I'm switch off just on, and what I'm doing is I'm increasing the knob. How it looks like the automatic light is increasing. I used until full. I'm going to until the water heat you need to use like a full heat. After heating the water you need to decrease the lighting. Also it will equally distribute the aroma from this distillation like a diffuser. I hope this is the way diffuser works. If you like this, I hope you like this. Make sure subscribe my channel and click like button, share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.